what brought you to that name? Like, how much time and thought went into that? Was there
Not
much?
a bunch, because I had a coach and mentor that I had started looking at his coaching program right when I decided I was going to start my own law firm, and that's how he did it. And I was like, well, shoot, if it's good enough for him and he teaches in this space, it's probably good enough for me. Boom.
Yeah.
So that was it. That was the whole thing. I think the hardest part was, do I call it Ron Smith Law or Shane Smith Law? Because Ron is actually my first name, Shane's my middle name.
Mm-hmm.
But professionally, I was known by Shane, so I was like, it would be stupid to go the other way.
Yeah.
So Shane Smith Law, bam. And then I had to search, was that domain available? And, it was. So that became the name of the firm. Boom, right there. And Law Offices of Shane Smith seems really long as opposed to Shane Smith Law, right? That was probably how I determined how to call it. Is I saw my mentor do it, right? Shane Smith Law, and then I think I said it out loud like 3 or 4 times. Shane Smith Law Offices of Shane Smith, and even I stumbled over saying Law Offices of Shane Smith.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, oh, let's go Shane Smith Law. Done. Boom.
It matters that you have a name, right? And it matters that there's a name, but it doesn't matter as much as the weight people give it. And
Right.
I think it's self-evident. Like, and what a lot of times we're like, well, I want a really good name that will be, recognizable later on. Consider the only way your name is going to be recognizable is if you build something cool,
Yeah.
right? So you build a good firm. Well, guess what? No matter what you call it, it's going to be a recognizable name at that point. And so
especially in the legal space, right?